How to set photo with a song in WhatsApp's status. First, go to the WhatsApp app on your device and tap on it. Now locate the update button here, tap on it. Now tap on status. From the photo library, pick any photo you want to use, tap on it. Then go ahead and tap on the music icon at the top of the screen. It comes out like this. You can use any of the music that you have here. You can tap from the mode or genre. Then you can as well type in specific music you want. So once it comes out like this, just select anyone you want by tapping on that little arrow for you. So you can now use your hand to adjust the level of the music you want to add to the status on your WhatsApp. Then go ahead and tap on done button. Make sure to tap on this go button to complete the process. Then you consider preparing. Just wait a few seconds for this process to be completed. So that's all. If you enjoyed what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.